Welcome all of you. I am Mohammed Zulfikar Rajput and you are watching MXR Global Studies Network. आज हम पढ़ेंगे looking forward to past tense of to be, meaning awaiting for something or somebody. Examples: I was looking forward to writing a letter. We were not looking forward to writing a letter. Were you looking forward to writing a letter? Was he not looking forward to writing a letter? Next slide की तरफ चलते हैं. Exercise. I was looking forward to your online classes. Yours truly, Taylor, Mississippi, America. I was looking forward to going back to work as soon as possible. We were looking forward to your favorite reply. We were looking forward to meeting with Mrs. Brown and you this evening. We were looking forward to greater success in the coming year. He was looking forward to meeting me today or tomorrow. I was looking forward to hearing from you. We were looking forward to your return. I was looking forward to your visit. He was looking forward to new mobile. They were looking forward to our questionnaire. She was looking forward to abiding by this rule. Educated people were looking forward to abiding peace between the two countries, India and Pakistan. They were looking forward to abuse him. Hell is the abode of all sinners. Therefore, they were looking forward to it. अब तक के लिए इतना ही, मिलता है नेक्स्ट क्लास में.